So welcome to this week's vlog. So this is a very short vlog. It's just I just wanted to bring an antique look to my house. Just I bought some antique collection. So I have a, like you can see this large space here. So I always wanted to hang something.
Yeah.
That too, I wanted to hang something which I couldn't find out in like a rare type. So recently I just found out these two frames. It's so beautiful. Yeah.
And some camera.
Yes.
And the camera.
See,
Camera.
so I'm trying to fix
and the
this.
camera.
Okay. And what he's showing is all
Camera.
these, yeah, it's antique things which I'm just going to replace with my showpieces which I have right now. And I have another space which is here. Then I wanted to have something hanging for this wall space here, because before it was wall clock which I had placed here.
Yeah.
But I found out that that's not the right direction to do
And the
wall
other
clock.
clock you
So I kept
want.
it here. So right now in my TV stand I have kept these showpieces. So now I'm going to replace it with some antique collections.
Me.
So I'm going to replace all this just to give it a change. Sometimes you need to have some change. So. But I will just decorate my house with all the antique collections. And
this is you.
Yes, that's a
Our
first thing.
favorite.
That's his favorite. Okay, that's
And
a
my
camera.
favorite this.
And this is my favorite. This is my favorite.
And my favorite too.
How is this cute, right?
Yeah. Everyone's.
Okay.
Hello. Who is that? I want this. I will be daddy.
Okay, so let me also speak. So this is one of the cutest
And the number.
showpiece which I found out, and it's so beautiful now. So before it was, as I shown, it was just a free space, you know, there was a lot of space. So I thought I'll just hang this. And okay, next one. Ta-da! See how beautiful it is? It was just, there was actually, my wall clock was hanged over there. So now I hanged those antique collections there. So now hope you like it. So now I'll show you the entire 360 view of my house. See, this is how it looks. I made a slight change in my coffee table. I just placed it like this. I placed the books over there, and that's it. That's the old things only which I had in my house. See, it's everything is as it is. You can see my dining table. This is the actual view of my house during weekdays or weekends. And entering into the kitchen, I know there won't be proper lighting here. Sorry for the inconvenience. It won't be clear, but I just wanted to show how, like, the same things, you know. So this, remember the last week vlog I had mentioned about the new kitchen shelf which I bought, and it's the same old things. And see, this also even the full view of my kitchen. My hand is shivering, sorry. It's during evening time I had to, I'm so sorry, I couldn't take it in the morning, then it would have been proper lighting. Okay, and here before keep the drying mat and wash the dishes and keep it, but now you know, since I kept the 2-tier stand here, so what I did is I used my remember I think last year kitchen organizing vlog, I used my son's study desk to arrange things, so that I didn't throw this time also. Even if I got this shelf, I didn't throw that because it is now useful. I kept it here, so now I use you know, wash the dishes and dry it here. So see, still you can make use of the things. You don't need, Doesn't mean you buy new things you have to throw, you know. You can make use of these things. So that's it. And this is all about my kitchen. And again, coming back to the sitting hall. Yes. And yeah, now I'll show you my bedroom. Okay, this is the washing machine area. I didn't think so I have shown you the, you know, this kind of, oh my god, lighting is very bad, home tour, like at a stretch each and every place, you know. So I thought, why not in this vlog? So please, 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 my dear viewers, hope you will like it. And please, you can even comment on my vlog and give good advice. Another tip of what I would like to give my viewers is that it is good at times, you know, to bring some little more positivity to your house. You can at times you can just shift your furnitures from where, like, might be, you know, you might keep your sofa or dining table in one place for a long time. So you can just, you know, at times you can just rearrange, just shuffle, you can just shift them and keep it in another direction. It is good to bring positive vibes. So sometimes I do that also. Last week I have done that actually, but I couldn't take the vlog, I'm so sorry. I've done that. Now coming to the bedroom, this is how it is. My dressing table, and this is my cupboard where all my dresses are hanged. And this I've shown you in one of the vlogs where I have hanged all my handbags. Okay, and this is my husband's cupboard. Okay, yeah, and that is his toys, my son's toy, and then all his toys like that. It's arranged in all the boxes. Okay, and so that's it, as it is, you know. And there you can see through the mirror, that cupboard is my son's cupboard where all his dresses are kept, folded and kept, and that's it. So, okay, if you want, yeah, and this is the full-length mirror. Okay. To stand. So this is the whole view of my room.